About to do a little bank fishing today. Let's start under this tree. Okay. Oh man, I see a big smallmouth. Holy cow, that's a real big one. He's just chilling. Oh, I see a bunch. Oh my gosh. Is he on a bed? Is that real shallow? Staying shallow. Alright y'all, here we go. Back on this pretty good one on a bed here. I'm gonna try this Texas strict lizard. It's usually my go-to for largemouth beds, but man, might work on this smallie too. Got it in his bed. Swim away. Dang. Alright, I can't stop fishing for this fish, but I need to. Oh man, I thought I had him. I really think he's eating it. God, he was right on it. He's reacting. Just gonna leave it there. It's right where I want it. And he's right on it. I think he just moved it off the bed. Dang! He's smart. Oh, he's right on it now. Oh, I think he just bit. Yes, he did. Yeah! That's a good smallmouth. That was worth it. Oh my gosh. What a beautiful fish. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Oh man. Whoo. Give me 1 second, we'll get the measuring board out for this guy. I think I found a big one on a bed, y'all. A good one. Landed in and he's swimming away. I don't know if he's coming back. Oh no, he came back. He's coming back. He's turning back. He reacted. I'm gonna get this one. I need a heavier weight here because of the current. I didn't anticipate that. Dang, he's after it though. Oh, he ate it. He ate it and then he spit it out. Oh, he ate it. He's got it in his mouth. Yeah! There we go. Woo! Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah, baby. This is a feisty one. It's bigger than he looked. Dang. Alright, it's gonna be hard. Flip him up. Yes! Let's go. Wow, this is fun. Alright, y'all, found another one. Holy cow, another one on a bed. About to catch him. About to catch him. Feel good about this one. Oh my God, I see another big one. This might be the female moving up. Maybe it's just another one on a bed. Oh well, let me catch him first. He just ate. Yes. Let's go, guys. And I see another big one. Yes. This is unbelievable. Come on now. Ah. Dang it. Pretty much too big for me to pull straight up. Oh, I got him. Ah. He's a 17 or an 18, I'd say. God. 17 and a quarter. I can't tell if that's a male or female because the male's pretty big. Oh, it's on it. Dang, this fish wanted it. I think this might be just a different fish. It might even be a male. Just landed it right in his bed. It looked like he bit it. Oh, he didn't. He wanted it, man, I could tell. Oh my God. Oh my God, well don't bite now. Dang, y'all, I was freaking messing with my line, so got it to quit recording, but I hooked up. This one's bigger, pretty sure. That was crazy. Yeah, this one's fatter than that last one. All right, y'all, both those fish I just caught went right back to their beds, and I'm seeing both of them right now. So I can confirm for sure that they were different fish. Here's some on beds, but they're a little smaller. I was getting real lucky finding all those good quality fish like that. There he goes. Yeah. Still not a bad fish. There it is. Pretty bass. Found another good one, y'all. Oh my gosh. I don't have much time. He's really on it though. For sure just ate it. He did. Holy cow. No! No! Oh no. No! Maybe he'll eat again. I mean, he is so aggressive. I bet he'll eat again. Yeah, here he comes. Here he comes. He just ate it. Hey, he spit it out again. Oh man, I gotta catch this guy before my camera dies. Alright, I dropped it on him. There he goes. Oh man, what an unbelievable day. What an unbelievable day of fishing. All right. There it is. Unreal. Unfreaking real. I've been waiting for years to have a smallmouth bed fishing day like this. 16 and a half.